Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vivint home security, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Vivint home security system. Locate the main control panel and position it in a central location. Ensure the panel is plugged into a power source. Next, remove the adhesive backing from the mounting bracket. Secure the bracket to the wall, ensuring it is level. Attach the control panel to the bracket until you hear a click. Next, unpack the door and window sensors. Peel off the adhesive backing from each sensor. Place the sensors onto the designated doors or windows. Make sure they are aligned properly for optimal function. Now, locate the indoor camera. Decide on a strategic location for the camera with a clear view. Plug the camera into a power outlet. Download the Vivint Smart Home app from your device's app store. Launch the app and create an account or log in. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your control panel to the app. Select Add Device within the app and choose the camera option. Follow the instructions to connect the indoor camera wirelessly. Next, install the motion detectors in high-traffic areas. Ensure to mount them at an appropriate height for effective coverage. Once everything is installed, return to the Vivint app. Perform a system test to ensure all devices are working together. Set up your preferred notification settings within the app. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the app's features for ease of future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.